Hello everybody, Bruce here with a short video that's gonna show you something that I kind of messed up during Module 1 of this class, particularly in class, when I showed you and I told you that Visual Studio Code would automatically show you the CSS classes that were in your CSS file when you're typing in HTML. Well, guess what? I was wrong. What I did have installed on my particular machine was an additional Visual Studio Code extension that I highly suggest you must install, all right? So let me show you what I'm talking about here, right? So if I'm in Visual Studio Code, and if I type .container, enter, right, you see it creates that HTML for you, right, with the class of container, right? But let's say that you wanted to modify that particular class to be container-fluid, right, which means go edge to edge in Bootstrap. Notice that when I type it, like nothing's showing up, right? And that's what I was showing you, that this would automatically happen. Well, what you need to do is follow my mouse over to the left-hand side of the screen here, is under extensions, which is this icon down here in the middle of the screen on the left. If I click on it and I type in HTML, CSS support, and then I'm going to click on it, and it brings this up. This is the one you want with this almost 5 million downloads, with this 4 out of 5 star rating, and click on install. Just know sometimes you may have to reload Visual Studio Code. It may tell you right here, you click on it, bing a bang a boom, it will reload it for you. So let me go back now, let me close this tab right there, and let me go back to my HTML, and now let me just go over here and type dash. Look at that. It gives me all the available options of all the various classes that are buried inside of my CSS file. So I'd like to thank Patricia for bringing this to my attention. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please let me know.